Hello and what's up everybody, this is Speed. In this video, we will see how we can create different tables, how to insert data into it, okay? So here you can see that I have created one of the table structure and I have represented different section, you can say different properties of the table such as your cell padding, border and cell spacing by different colors. So it will be easy for you to classify them or you can say for differentiating between them. So here TD is the table column and TR is the table row. We will see more in depth. So for that, let's just go in the Visual Studio Code and start creating a table in our HTML. As in the very beginning, I have already discussed about that we are going to work with the tables and we are going to display the data using the table. So let's just do some documentation over here so that it will be easy for you to understand each line of code, what I'm doing. And even if you can't understand that what the line or what the tag that I have used mean, you can just comment below or you can message me on the WhatsApp. I will be answering all the questions that you want to know. Okay, but okay, let's just move on. So here I'm going to work with the table. So I have just written the table. For creating the table, you have to use the table tag over here. And inside of the table tag, firstly you have to create a table row. You all know that your table is the combination of your rows and a column. So TR represents the table row. So I'm going to write like table row and I'm just comment this out. So it will be not going to render on the my web browser and it will be easy for you to identify that what the TR or table means. Okay. So now for adding the table heading, you have another tag called the th tag. Okay. So here I'm gonna add the table heading. Let me just add it also. So th, this is the heading tag. Means it is similar to the your td tag, which is the table column tag, but we use th for creating the heading. I can say that text inside of th get bold. Okay, because the you have already seen that the table heading is bold always. So if you are using the th, then the text inside of the th will get bold, and if you are using the td, which is similar to your th only, but have normal font weight, you can say your th has bold font weight, or and your td has normal font weight. So here I have successfully created one table, you can say. So now I'm gonna show you in the live server with the help of the live server in my browser. Let me just zoom in and you can see over here that now name, email and contact, but it is not going to look like a table. So I have to add the property, one of the property of table, which is known as your border, and how much thick the border is should be. So I have given a 5. Now you can see it more clearly that now we have created a table with a border of 5 over here. Now let us go and create some more column, or you can say rows inside of it. So for creating another row, I have tr over here, and now I'm inserting data over here. So for inserting the data, what I can do, I can add the td tag. Td is the column data, you all know, means the table column, and I'm inserting the data like name, versus name like speed over here. Then I'm mentioning my email ID over here, which is the speedsniper919@gmail.com. And then the last, I have given the heading like the contact number. So I'm giving the contact number 91991102555 like this. And then I can just show it to you on the web browser. Okay, wait for a second. Now you can see that I have successfully added one data inside of it, and now it having font weight of normal over here. You can see the difference between a table heading and table data over here. So TD represents the table data and TH represents the table heading. I hope you understand it. So TD is the table data and TH is table heading, and TR is stand for your table row, and table is a table for table keyword. You all understand that. Let me just create some more table content over here and add some more content. And what I can do over here, okay, let me just mention it over here that I'm working with the TD, which is the table data, you can say, or you can say table column over here. You can say anything. Okay, it's similar to your table heading only, but having that normal font weight. So now what I can do, I can just modify my data and it will be all fine. So I can give it like frenzy over here, change the email ID also, like Francie or something like that. And at the bottom I can just also change it over here, so I can get like hello or something like, okay, let us give it to Fury over here. So Fury, and the email ID also be Fury, set it to Fury. Okay, now let us go and check out our data. Okay, so here you can see that I have 3 data over here, and you can add more as per your wish. So now let's just move on to the some other properties of table. Actually, we have a lot number of properties, but we are going to work with 2 or 3, the important ones. So we have the cell spacing over here. So cell spacing. Cell spacing means that this, you can say the space between two cells. Or in simple word, I can say. Let me just show you in the browser. Then I will be explaining in detail that what I mean. Also, I have shared the uh, structure of the table, so you can just check that out. So you can see the outer space between two cells is known as cell spacing, and the inner space between the cell, you can say the inner space between the cell is your cell padding. So let me just clear it out to you. Let me just write it over here like cell padding, and give it a like cell padding of whatever, like 12. So now you can easily identify, or you can measure the difference. So you can see this is the inner distance, you can say inner space. Okay, so I can give any distance, like I can give 50, so you will be now understand it clearly. You can see this the cell inner padding. So the padding is the inner space, you can say, inside of this your cell. And let me just show you with the help of the table again, the table structure. So you can see the blue color over here is representing the cell padding, and the border is of your red in color, and cell spacing is the spacing between your different cells over here. So now I think that will be clear for you, but even if you have doubt, you can comment below or message me on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like, and if you are new to my channel,